family? Black Feniks checking in right now. I am in Surprise at the stadium. So just finished summing up my little work with the container that's behind me. So I just finished it up, got it all done, and now I'm waiting on my guy to come. So that way he can sign off on it and I can get up out of here and call it a day and start networking on my next project. But it's nice out here, man. It's cool the way or the area that they put the container, because it's pretty much in front of the right in front of the field. Check it out. See first base. I'm talking about it's like right here. So you can actually come out here and see a good game. So I'm out here getting my hog on today, man. I'm out.